Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best hospitality leads using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So first, we're going to enter in our location. Today, we are going to Helena, Montana. We're going to lock that in. I'm going to leave this as 20 miles. So add that, hit next, lock it in, and we're going to search up hospitality. And with Coldlytics 2.0, we get this nice sanity check, so you can check if these are the types of leads that you would be looking for, or companies you would be looking for your lead sheets. And if not, you can change around the wording. Like hospitality is kind of a general search term, and like this is showing like apartments and stuff now. So like maybe if you're searching for hotels, like look up hotels instead. But I just wanted to highlight that we are gonna go with hospitality anyway, so I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna hit next to lock that in, and we are looking for owners and founders and directors and executives. We are kind of only looking for the owner, but the owner might have a C-suite title, so selecting both of these will cover the edge case in case the owner has a C-suite title. So I'm gonna hit next to lock that in, and for filters today, oh, for filters today, we are actually only going to go and select Google reviews, as hospitality is so general and it can mean like quite a few things. It's not just hotels. It's it can be bars, it can be events, it can be hospitality industry. Kind of is a big blanket for all these like traveling, um, more niche industries. So with that being said, I'm only gonna set one filter today, which is gonna be the review score. And setting it between the 3 and a 5, and that just shows that whatever company shows up on your lead sheet has a good relationship with their clients and customers, and they'll just be easier to do business with. So I'm gonna hit next to lock that in, and I'm gonna finish up by going to deliver. Again, hospitality is such a niche, not a niche, sorry, it's such like a broad umbrella industry. So I'm just gonna select all of these except for direct dial. And then you can make do with whatever, you can make do with all of these metrics. If one of these helps you better sell or lock in what you're looking for in terms of companies, then it's beneficial to have them all selected. So I'm gonna hit next. I'm gonna finish off, and make sure to set a title, make sure to set your contacts required, and make sure to save it as a draft in case you want to go back and change anything. You're not setting from zero. That being said, I'm going to launch it, which will take us back to our task overview. As you can see, the task is allocating, which means that it will be ready in 24 hours. And yes, this is how you find the best hospitality leads using Coldlytics. So I hope you guys have a great day.